Using guide. Rotate the handle to the same angle as the mounting hole on the machine and put it on the machine. The ice basket handle gets stuck in the ice basket. The ice spoon can be placed on the handle of the ice basket. Open the cover, remove the ice basket, and pour water into the tank. Keep water level below the water level mark. Then put the ice basket back and close the cover. Press on off button on the control panel to begin the ice making cycle. Select the ice cube size, S or L, by pressing the select button. The ice making cycle lasts approximately 6 to 13 minutes, depending on the selection of ice cube size and the room temperature. The ice making stops when the ice basket is full and the ice full indicator will be on. If the water pump can't inject water, the ice maker will stop automatically and the add water indicator will be on. Open the cover, remove the ice basket, and fill water up to the max water level mark. Allow the refrigerant liquid inside the compressor at least 3 minutes to settle before restarting. Then press on off button again to turn on the unit. If you notice that the ice maker isn't making ice properly, touch the air outlet on the side to check whether it feels warm. Then report the issue to the after-sales service team.